What is Aletris? Aletris is a plant. The root is used to make medicine. What is Aletris used for? People use Aletris for digestion problems including colic, constipation, diarrhea, gas, and upset stomach. They also use it for joint and muscle pain, rheumatism, muscle spasms, fluid retention, and infertility. Women use Aletris to relieve menstrual disorders and prevent miscarriage. Some people use it as a general tonic or as a sedative to promote relaxation. How does it work? It is not known how Aletris might work. Uses and effectiveness. Insufficient evidence to rate effectiveness for joint and muscle pain, rheumatism, constipation, gas, colic, diarrhea, upset stomach, menstrual disorders, other conditions. More evidence is needed to rate Aletris for these uses. Side effects. Aletris is possibly safe when taken by mouth appropriately. It can cause colic, dizziness, or confusion. Special precautions and warnings. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Aletris is possibly unsafe if you are pregnant. It might act like the hormone estrogen, and that could affect the pregnancy. It's best to avoid using Aletris if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Stomach or intestinal, gastrointestinal, GI problems. Aletris can irritate the GI tract. Do not use it if you have stomach or intestinal problems. Hormone-sensitive conditions such as breast cancer, uterine cancer, ovarian cancer, endometriosis, or uterine fibroids. Aletris might act like estrogen. If you have any condition that might be made worse by exposure to estrogen, do not use Aletris. Interactions. Estrogen's interaction rating, moderate. Be cautious with this combination. Talk with your health provider. Aletris might act like the hormone estrogen. When taken together, Aletris might increase the risk for side effects. Antacids interaction rating, minor. Be cautious with this combination. Talk with your health provider. Antacids are used to decrease stomach acid. Aletris may increase stomach acid. By increasing stomach acid, Aletris might decrease the effectiveness of antacids. Some antacids include calcium carbonate, TUMS, others, dihydroxyaluminum sodium carbonate, Rolaids, others, megaldrate, Riopan, magnesium sulfate, Bilagogue, aluminum hydroxide, Amphogel, and others. Medications that decrease stomach acid, H2 blockers, interaction rating, minor. Be cautious with this combination. Talk with your health provider. Aletris might increase stomach acid. By increasing stomach acid, Aletris might decrease the effectiveness of some medications that decrease stomach acid, called H2 blockers. Some medications that decrease stomach acid include cimetidine, Tagamet, ranitidine, Zantac, nizatidine, Axid, and famotidine, Pepcid. Medications that decrease stomach acid, proton pump inhibitors, interaction rating, minor. Be cautious with this combination. Talk with your health provider. Aletris might increase stomach acid. By increasing stomach acid, Aletris might decrease the effectiveness of medications that are used to decrease stomach acid, called proton pump inhibitors. Some medications that decrease stomach acid include omeprazole, Prilosec, lansoprazole, Prevacid, rabeprazole, Asifex, pantoprazole, Protonix, and esomeprazole, Nexium. Dosing. The appropriate dose of Aletris depends on several factors such as the user's age, health, and several other conditions. At this time, there is not enough scientific information to determine an appropriate range of doses for Aletris. Keep in mind that natural products are not always necessarily safe and dosages can be important. Be sure to follow relevant directions on product labels and consult your pharmacist or physician or other healthcare professional before using.